And I'll take a little lower angle now.
See, personally, I do not like to, click photos and all that. But if you're going to come over here with your family and friends, be ready because this place is huge. Okay, it's very huge. But you won't get tired from, walking around. You'll get tired from clicking millions of selfies of women. Yeah.
But if you want some great photos for the gram, Miracle Garden is the place to be. Hi, I'm Sharon, and today we're going to take you on a tour of Miracle Garden Season 10.
Guys, a small tip for all you guys who are going to become cameramen over here. Just remember two tips. Number one, if you're getting a mobile phone, get only 50% battery. And tip number two, don't get a portable charger because if you do, you are going to regret it big time. Big time.
And with that limited battery on your phone, the very first place you need to get your picture clicked at is at this huge Emirates A380. Set in the heart of the garden, the Emirates A380 is covered with 50,000 fresh flowers and living plants. It's the biggest ever structure built in this garden and even holds a Guinness World Record for it.
Yeah, just like the Guinness World Record that she has just received for clicking 456459859 million photographs in just 3 minutes after entering this place.
Can you take a picture with the in the background?
Oh no! That plants, trees and all this greenery attracts rain, right? I feel the curators must have thought about this and put all these colorful umbrellas over here for all the visitors who are coming over here. I feel the idea is inspired by the name itself, Miracle Garden, because it's going to be a miracle if it rains over here. But this place is already set with all the umbrellas, so let it rain whenever it wants to.
Okay, so this is one of my favorite sections in the garden. The Heart Tunnel is where you can get those gram-worthy pictures, and if you take your picture from a particular angle, you'll feel like a flowery Powerpuff Girls background.
At this point of time, your body is going to crank up because of all the different types of position you've taken to click a photograph. And as your friends go and find some doctor or a chiropractor to get you out of this position, you will be accompanied by this beautiful 15-meter floral clock. It's made of real plants and flowers whose designs keep changing according to the seasons. As the time passes by, tick, 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 you don't need to, for some time, click, click, click.
As you go search for a chiropractor, you'll find yourself lost in this tiny village filled with small blue creatures who live in mushroom-shaped houses. The highlight of Season 10 is this newly opened Smurfs village where the world of the beloved blue creatures will be displayed as delightful landscape arrangements. Dubai Miracle Garden will feature 4 different areas including the Smurf village, Smurf activity area, Smurf topiaries and another Guinness World of Record set to break, giving residents of Dubai something to truly look forward to this new season.
Okay guys, now we come to the most spookiest part of this place, okay? I'm not trying to scare you, but I'm trying to warn you. If you come to this place and you find a woman standing like this, don't get scared, okay? It's nothing scary. It's just that this lady apparently is trying to click a photo with this lady. The floating lady, what? This lady? Floating woman. Legend has it that every woman who has come over here and tried to click photos has ended up making reels and photographs for Instagram. Beware.
Miracle Garden is not just about witnessing the variety of flowers, but it's also packed with tons of entertaining activities. There's a flower parade, kids play zone area, and fitness activities like Zumba and yoga at the parks. You're definitely going home with tons of memories.
Yeah, talking about memories, Sharon, this 1 TB hard disk which is there in my phone is full, so we can't create more memories. Let's go.
No problem. If you visit all the places that we've showed you, you're going to have some great photos for yourself. With this, we come to the end of the video. If you like this video...
No, we are not coming to the end. There is more remaining. So now we are going to go to the place which Sharon loves the most, Butterfly Garden. Let's go.
No.
Where she went? So after finally convincing Sharon to come to the Butterfly Garden, here she is. Let's go. Here we are in. Okay, so apparently Sharon has just ran away home, leaving us behind. And with me are two lovely little butterflies. Say hi to the camera. Don't move. Okay, so guys, if you like this, okay, you also bye. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and check out our other videos as well. Till then, take care, and God bless you all. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye. See you. Sing bye. Okay, bye.